Who says a rugged smartphone can be slim? The new KingKong ES blends an ultra-thin design with unbreakable durability. From dust to high-pressure water jets, nothing gets through the tough exterior. Experience the smooth performance of Android 14, capture life's finest moments with the 48-megapixel camera, and stay connected with its dual SIM support. Sleek yet unbeatable, that's the Cubot KingKong ES. Check out this video review. Cubot KingKong ES comes in this rectangular box with turquoise color with the brand, model name and the photo of the device imprinted on the top. So let's start with the boxing and see what is in the box besides the smartphone. KingKong ES a quick start guide and other paperwork. Additional screen protector. I must mention that smartphone is already factory installed with protection. We have SIM tray pin. We also have this USB Type-C charging cable. And finally the charger. Okay guys, that was the contents of this box and let's move on. So are you looking for an outdoor phone that can be slim and at the same time light in your pocket? Well, then you are on the right place. The new Cubot KingKong ES is probably one of the thinnest and lightest rugged smartphones I've ever had. With its ultra-thin design, it measures a thickness of only 12.8mm and weighing over 216.8 grams, which is a real success for a rugged smartphone. The case is made of a durable matte plastic, but it has decorative elements made of other materials as well. As you can see, the extra raised edges protect against falls to the touch. The smartphone feels solid and unbeatable, further enhancing its robustness with these metal side frames, in which we also find the metal gray buttons. So on the right side we have these volume buttons. Below them is a power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. On the left side of the phone you'll find the SIM microSD card tray. Supports 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM plus TF card with a capacity of up to 1 TB. Here we also have this small programmable button. Here this button can be customized to perform various functions within phone or install applications and can be activated with a single click, double click or long press. Finally, at the bottom of the phone we have USB-C charging port, which is protected by a rubber cover that guarantees the phone's IP68 waterproof rating. The front of the KingKong ES is dominated by the 6.56-inch HD Plus LCD display with a 780 by 1612 resolution with a fairly thin bezels for a robust phone. The display supports refresh rate of 19 Hz, which should be more than enough for most Android users. As usual, the display casing protrudes a bit from the glass surface to provide additional protection. A water drop notch houses a 60-megapixel selfie camera with a face unlock option that will be perfect to handle all your selfies and video calls. The light and proximity sensor together with LED notification light are placed above the camera in the top bezel. One of the standout features of this display is a vibrant color reproduction and acceptable black value, which contribute to an excellent contrast ratio. The screen itself is pleasant with the wide viewing angles, good color reproduction and a significant margin of brightness. Text information is perfectly legible, just like a graphic content. For most users seeking a sizable screen, the KingKong ES display excels in daily activities. The clarity and sharpness of the screen making it enjoyable for use for extended periods, ensuring that whether you are watching videos, reading articles or playing games, the experience is both immersive and satisfying. Now when we look at the phone from the back, we can see these grills of the very loud speakers. The Cubot logo is in the middle and above it is a metal round frame, which is very similar to a smartwatch. We find a triple camera setup and the LED flash. The main camera consists of the 48 megapixel PDF main sensor and the 2 megapixel macro lens, and I assume that this is a third depth sensor. In well lit conditions you can expect solid performance, capturing photos that stands out in this price range. The smartphone also supports 1080 pixel Full HD video resolution recording at the 30 fps. To truly appreciate the camera capabilities, check out some sample photos taken with the KingKong ES. Let's dive and see the results for ourselves. The Cubot KingKong ES is powered by a Unisoc T606 processor with the 8 cores, manufactured with a 12 nanometers process. It is a solid processor and it provides a satisfactory performance in daily tasks, but only for you under-demanding users, being accompanied by the 6GB of RAM and the 128GB of internal storage. It brings more than enough space to install the apps and the games you use. Its RAM memory can be virtually expanded with the extra 10GB, so that you get a smartphone with a total of 16GB of RAM, and the difference in performance with the virtual RAM enabled is very noticeable. In storage, on the other hand, you can be further expanded via micro SD card of up to 1TB. And it's even possible to play games that are not very demanding on the reduced graphics settings. You can enjoy the latest features, security updates, and the smooth performance with the newest Android OS. This phone comes with Android 14, the latest version of the Google's operating system, and it comes with all Google fancy features. Besides, this does not include bloatware, advertising, or unnecessary apps, thus offering a pure Android experience. Its interface is very clean and simple, which makes it very easy to use for everyone. The phone supports all world 4G networks and supports VoLTE HD calling. You can freely navigate with confidence using GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Bellu, and there is also Bluetooth 2.0 connectivity. With a 5100 mAh battery, the phone offers a range of 2 days with the standard use, and more than enough for a rugged phone with such a thin case. The KingKong ES is example of durability with the IP68 and IP69K ratings for waterproofing and dust protection. It stands strong in harsh conditions and during extreme weather and rough handling with the reinforced strength and sturdy features that enhance its waterproof and dust resistant capabilities. The Cubot KingKong ES is an impressive blend of rugged durability and a sleek design. With its thickness of just 12.8mm, it's one of the slimmest rugged smartphones available. It boasts solid features like a 6.56-inch HD+ display, 48 megapixel main camera, and a 5100 mAh battery powered by the Unisoc T606 processor and Android 14. It offers smooth performance for everyday tasks. Priced around $100, it's extremely great value for those seeking a tough yet stylish smartphone. It's ideal for everyone who does not want to spend a lot of money on a new smartphone, and with the KingKong it gets robustness and durability in very thin body. So the official sales links are below this video. Be sure to visit them and get your new Cubot KingKong ES today, because now is the chance. That will be all for now, so be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you soon with the new video review. Bye.